Title: The Ultimate 50-30-20 Rule Overhaul for High Inflation Lifestyle Management, 2026 edition. Let's face it, budgeting in 2026 doesn't feel like budgeting in 2016. Groceries cost more, rent is outrageous, and even your basic phone plan might cost the same as a car payment. So how do you keep your finances under control when inflation keeps eating your paycheck? Today, I'm breaking down the ultimate 50-30-20 rule overhaul, a modern twist on one of the most trusted budgeting systems ever created, so you can stay financially sane even when life gets expensive. Section 1. What the 50-30-20 rule used to mean. Traditionally, the 50-30-20 rule split your after-tax income into three buckets. 50% for needs: rent, utilities, groceries, transportation, the essentials. 30% for wants: streaming, dining out, travel, hobbies, things that make life enjoyable. 20% for savings or debt repayment: emergency funds, retirement, or paying down high-interest loans. Simple, right? But here's the catch. In a high-inflation world, many people's needs are swallowing 60, even 70% of their income. So, clinging to the old formula no longer makes sense. Section 2. Why the old rule no longer works. When inflation spikes, it's not your wants that explode, it's your needs. Rent jumps, food prices rise, energy bills spike. If you're still trying to force yourself into the classic 50-30-20 balance, you're setting yourself up for frustration or guilt. Financial experts in 2026 now call for flexibility, turning the rule into a dynamic framework rather than a fixed ratio. Because survival budgeting in high inflation isn't about hitting perfect percentages, it's about preserving your savings rate while staying realistic. Visual overlay, flexible ratios, Harker's smart money movement. Section 3, the 2026 overhaul, the adaptive 60-25-15 framework. Here's the modern adaptation. I call it the adaptive 60-25-15 rule. 60% needs. Your rising essentials get more breathing room here. This includes rent, insurance, groceries, but be ruthless about what's actually essential. 25% wants. The lifestyle comfort zone. Yes, you still deserve fun, but trim passive spending, unused subscriptions, frequent takeout, and impulse upgrades. 15% savings, chew debt. This is your financial survival gear. Even if inflation eats into your budget, never drop below 10% savings. Automate transfers before spending a cent. Think of these numbers as sliders, not laws. The key is to protect your savings habit, even if the percentage shrinks temporarily. Section 4. Inflation Survival Tactics. Let's add real-world strategies to make this work. 1. Quarterly budget recalibration. Inflation moves fast. Sit down every 90 days and adjust your spending buckets to reflect current prices. 2. Negotiate everything, from rent to insurance premiums. Landlords and service providers often make exceptions when asked strategically. 3. Automate the freedom transfer. On payday, move that 15-20% directly to savings or debt accounts. If you don't see it, you won't spend it. 4. De-inflate your lifestyle. Cook more, buy energy-efficient appliances, consider co-living or remote work options to reduce fixed costs. 5. Invest in value-stable assets. High-yield savings, tips, or REITs can help offset inflation's bite on your long-term goals. Section 5. Common mistakes to avoid. Using gross income. Always budget from your take-home pay. Calling wants, needs. Coffee runs, gym apps, and oversized data plans belong in the wants bucket. Ignoring high-interest debt. Paying 24% on a credit card kills more wealth than any latte ever could. Skipping the emergency fund. Inflation is unpredictable. Your car repair or rent hike won't wait. If your needs are 65% right now, it doesn't mean you failed at budgeting. It means the economy shifted, and you're adapting. The 50-30-20 rule isn't a test, it's a navigation system. Keep your compass pointed at the 20% savings mark, even if it takes time to get there. You win by staying consistent, not perfect. So if inflation has wrecked your budget, take back control with the adaptive 50-30-20 rule overhaul. Adjust smartly, save automatically, and spend intentionally.